All right, guys, and 3, 2, 1.
Wait,
Nobody's
I'm gonna grab a
talking
drink for a
other than
second.
me. Wow, this is gonna be a miracle. Are we landing wealthy again? You guys want to land wealthy?
Wait, are we not allowed to speak?
No, you're not allowed to speak. Don't break the challenge. Don't break the challenge. Since Aaron's gone, we gotta land late.
I'm back. Are we silent?
Yes, don't talk.
Zipped.
Jeepers. Shut up! I want to know why you're laughing now. All right, we got a solid team going here with us. A solid full team, at least, or they're going to potty warehouses over there. Not 100% sure yet. Yeah, there's a team with us here, guys. Careful, careful, Ben and Aaron, or Isaac and Aaron. They're on top of the other warehouses, all three other warehouses on the south side. Ben, you're alone over there, eh, Isaac? I wouldn't chill out there for too long if I was you. We're gonna lose Isaac, I think. Push with Aaron, guys. Aaron's on top of the roof. Push up high ground. Always high ground, guys. Okay, there's guys. Yep, oh, he's done. That's the end of Isaac. Careful when we're pushing, guys. Push together. I got you, Aaron. Go ahead and pick it up. I'm watching your back. Who's shooting? I'm going in the roof. Are they all dead? Holy. Good job, guys. It's hard not to talk, eh? It's like the worst feeling in the world. Let's just loot and then meet up and start heading towards New Circle. Alright, where are we going? Aaron, is that building completely looted? Yep. Okay. Make sure we get resources this time. The last bunch of times we've potatoed because we didn't have resources. Not mentioning any names. Caleb. Perfect, perfect. Trying to blow me off the bridge and kill me. That wouldn't be fun. Oh, dude. Dude, you just killed me. Alright. The weird part about that was it wouldn't let me build along the like a stairs along the side of this cliff. It wouldn't let me build stairs into the cliff. I wouldn't have even fallen very far. Man, we haven't run into anyone. This is a horse trash game. And the circle's not favoring us at all. We're just running the whole time. When we get into a fight, if we get caught in a sandwich, I'm just gonna call a team that we're pushing, and we're pushing them, okay? Like, we're not doing what we did last time, like, oh, there's 15 guys behind us, 2 in front of us, and 3 to the east. What? Who just shot at me? Guys over here or something? Okay, he's pointing northeast. What are you doing? You need help? This way. East. Shut the f... I'm not even paying attention anymore. There's a guy east. Team east. Circle, guys? Oh boy, I think I'm the only one there who took damage, so that's good. Do we get any good loot? Probably not. Let's get into Loot Lake here and then push to the right of Loot Lake. Who's shooting? Caleb, probably. Caleb has fire pit. Everybody, come here, come here. Get up here, Caleb. Oh, okay. I'm gonna... Where are we putting the fire pit? Right here? Alright. Someone's shooting at us from... Aaron, behind you. In the storm. They're still in storm. I don't know where they are though. Did they die? I guess they died, yeah. Apparently they didn't die, Aaron. Yay! He's dead. Now they're dead. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Anybody got another, thingamajigger? Push with Aaron, guys. Hopefully we can outrun this one. I think we can. There's guys straight across at northwest. A whole team running across Loot Lake, right from left to right. 3 guys I see so far. They're just on the other side of Loot Lake. Don't engage yet. They're building up for a jump pad probably or something. Or no, they're just getting up on the hill at northwest. Whoa, someone just missed a snipe on me from that direction. Yay! Oh my god, I almost hit that. Yay! Yeah, you're shooting the same guy I was shooting at. They're getting shot by another team. You want to push them behind? Yeah, follow Aaron. Just follow Aaron skis. There's some of them on the ground to the left as well, Aaron. Guys, they're shooting from northwest. Careful. Be careful, be careful. Oh wait, Caleb's gonna need his med kit, isn't he? Caleb, do you have a med kit? Okay, do we have a jump pad? I have a jump pad, guys. Okay. We're gonna build a jump pad and we're gonna push around underneath maybe? What do you guys want to do? Frick, this is hard to decide. They have all different bases up there. I say we go to the other side of the mountain, guys. Let's do it. Right here, right here. We're just gonna put it right here. Right here, guys. See this? 3, 2, 1, go. Fly around. Just go to the left. Get underneath the mountain. Evade and build the minute you land. Just let them waste ammo. I think they're getting attacked by someone. Yeah, they're straight above us, guys. Careful. Straight above. Push against the side of the hill. Yep. Yep. And to build above yourself. Mine's super low. Damn. They have such high ground on us. Come on, Aaron, you got this. I injured a bunch of them. Aaron!
No! Oh my god! Oh!
Yes! One more.
Let's go! Oh my god!
Oh my god, we won.
Dude,
good game.
I literally tapped all 4 of those guys with a pump shotgun to the face. 4 in a row.
That was amazing.
Let's freaking go!